Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Bootstrap tutorial. In today's class, I am going to discuss about list groups. To create the list groups inside my body tags of the HTML document, I am creating a div which is a container. So inside this container, I'll be doing the coding, whatever I want to appear on the screen. So my design, I'm going to put it inside this particular class, which is the div container class, and then I have put a margin of margin from top as 3, and then I'll be creating the list items, so the list group. So the most very common list group that we'll be creating is the unordered list. So simply take the list group, so take the list group in the unordered list tag, so ul tag. So in the ul tag I am saying class is equal to so what is the name of the class? So the name of the class is list hyphen group. So I'm just taking list hyphen group inside the UL tag. So this is what we need to do. And inside the li tag will add the list items into the unordered list. So inside the li tag, I'm taking a class which is equal to so the list hyphen group hyphen item. Okay, so I'm taking an class which is this one, and I will be adding the items into it. So say for example mango, then I'm closing the li tag. So let me add two more elements over here, and then I'll show you the output. Okay, so I have added three items into the list. The first one is mango, then I'm saying orange. Okay, so then I'm taking apple. Okay, so I have taken three items in the unordered list item. So let me actually load this and show you. So this is how I got the output. Okay, so a simple list group wherein it is unordered list group. Okay, fine. So let me now do give some more classes, which is called as active class and disabled class and all that. So if you want to make a particular item in the list group to be active, so I can simply give, let me make this orange to be active. So I am giving active class over here inside the class attribute. So I made orange item, list item to be active. So as I refresh this, you can see that orange is now highlighted. So whatever item you want to make it as active, so you just need to give active class inside the class attribute to highlight the element. Okay, so this is the active class. So in the same way, I can actually disable it. So I'm using a class which is disabled. So disabled. Okay, so I'm taking a class which is disabled, and I'll show you what will happen. So when I disabled it, the orange is a bit lighter color than the other items in the list. Okay, so this is how you can apply active and disabled to the list items. Now let me show you how to create list group with linked items. So to create the list group with linked items, we'll be using the div tag instead of the ul tag. And so let me actually do that. So I'm taking off this ul. It's not the ul tag now, so we need to take the div tag. So inside the div tag, I'm saying class is equal to list group, and then instead of this li tag, I'll be taking the a tag. Okay, so I'll be taking the a tag. So let me make this a tag, so a with h reference. So I don't have any reference as of now to be made, so I just said href, and then I'm saying list group item, and I'm closing it. Okay, so let me make the other ones also as the hyperlinks. So then I need to say href is equal to, okay, then let me add href again here. Href is equal to this one. Okay, so let me actually load this and show you. So you can see that I got mango, orange, and apple, but this time when I hover my mouse on top of it, so I just need to close the anchor tag. Okay, right. So this is the a tag. So just close the a tag. And since we are having two divs here, so I just need to close the two divs. Okay, so okay, fine. So you can see this. So as I hover my mouse on top of it, you can see that mango has become a link now. So you can see mango and then orange and apple. So they are the links now. Okay, so if you don't want this kind of link to appear, and if you want some gray background color to appear on hover, so when I hover this, you can see that the blue color link is showing up. So if you don't want that and you want some gray background color to come up as I hover this, you can add one more class over here, and the name of the class is list hyphen group hyphen item hyphen, and I'm saying action. Okay, so which is action. So you can see I added this for the mango. So let me refresh this and show you. So when I bring my mouse onto the mango, when I hover the mouse, you can see that there is a light gray background color that appeared rather than a link. Okay, but orange and apple, I didn't add the class which is list hyphen group hyphen item hyphen action. So that's why they are in as links. But mango is also a link, but with a different pattern. Okay, so as I bring my mouse, it's becoming the gray color. Okay, so in the same way, so this is how you can actually make a list group with linked items. You can also disable the anchors as well. So these items in the A tag as well. So if I'll show you that also. So if I disabled, so I added a class which is disabled, and I'm making orange disabled. So you can see that again the link has been disabled. So mango is getting a gray color, apple is a link, and orange is disabled. So in this manner, you can actually make list groups as links. Okay, so now we'll see how to flush or remove the borders. So you can see that there are borders to this particular list item. So there are borders over here. So we'll see how to actually remove the borders. For the borders, there is a class which is called as list hyphen group hyphen flush. So we'll be using that inside the div class here after the list group. After the list group, I am saying list hyphen group hyphen, and I'm saying flush. Okay, so when I do this, the borders will be removed. So observe it carefully. So now there are borders. As I reload it, you can see that the borders vanished off. But internal row borders are there, but all the outer four sides borders have been removed. You can also create numbered list groups. To create the numbered list groups, you need to take the OL tag. So I'm taking the OL tag, which is OL tag stands for ordered list tag. So OL, inside the OL tag, I'm taking a class which is called as a list group. And I am taking one more class which is list group hyphen numbered. Okay, so I'm taking two classes here. And then I'm taking the li tag. Inside the li tag, I'm adding the list items. So by saying list hyphen group hyphen item. Okay, and then add the elements. So I'm saying the first item is computer. So then I'm closing the li tag. So I'm taking two more tags, two more items. Okay, so I'm adding two more items, and the second item is electronics, and then the third item I'm taking is the groceries. Okay, so I just have taken three items and I'm numbering them. Okay, so let me load this and show you. So I got computer. So the first one is OL tag, right? So I need to close the OL tag. So just close the OL tag and then the div tag. So here there are double quotes, take it off. So now you'll get the answer. Okay, so I got one is computer, second is electronics, and the third one is groceries. So how did you create it? By using a class which is called as list hyphen group hyphen numbered. So let us see the next concept. So the next concept is like here the items are placed one below the other. So wherein this is we have created vertical list group. So you can also create horizontal list group by using a class which is called as list group horizontal. So for that I'm taking an unordered list. Okay, so I just have taken the unordered list, and then I'm saying list group. Inside this I am taking, rather than numbered, I'm saying horizontal. Okay, so I'm taking horizontal. So wherein I'll be able to see the horizontal list. So I have used a class to make the list horizontal. I have used a class which is list group horizontal. So let me refresh this and show you. So I got the list in the horizontal way. Okay, so I got computer, electronics, and groceries in the horizontal direction. Okay. So you can make the list horizontal. So you can make the ordered list also horizontal by using the class which is list group hyphen horizontal. Uh, horizontal. So let me, I have given a class. Okay, so list group horizontal, and as a refresh, you can see that I got the list in the horizontal way, and this is the list group. Okay, so ordered list group. Fine. You can actually give the coloring to the items. So the classes for coloring list items are called as list group item success. So how can you give the coloring by using the class? So what's the name of the class? List hyphen group hyphen item hyphen, then you want success or success. If it is secondary, it is secondary, then this changes. Okay, so it can be secondary or it can be info or it can be primary. Okay, so all these colors you can get, and then danger, it can be danger or whatever. Okay, so it comes over there. uh, we'll see that. So let me just show you how to give that color to the items. Okay, so inside my li tag, I am using the class which is list hyphen group hyphen item hyphen, so whatever you want. Okay, so I want success, so I have put success. Let me actually reload and show you the answer. Okay, so this is how the design looks like. So I got computer, I made it as success. Okay, so what are the other classes that you can use? You can use secondary, you can use info, you can use warning, you can use danger, primary, dark, and light. Anything you can use to actually color your items. Let us look into the next concept. So let me make the other item as danger. Okay, so I am giving danger over here for electronics. Okay, so as I reload this, you can see that I got danger to the electronics. So you can give color like this to the items. Um, so you can also give colors to the anchors. Okay, so say for example, I'm having a div tag wherein I have an link item. So I said the div class is equal to, so what is it? It's a list group, right? So I said it is the list group. And then inside this, I'm having an anchor tag, which is a href is equal to, so I'm not putting anything. So then I said class is equal to, so inside the class, I'm saying list hyphen group hyphen item. So again, I'm giving the color to it. So I'm saying list hyphen group hyphen item hyphen. So I'm giving some color to it, which is primary. Say for example, primary. Let me give something else. So let me say warning. Okay, so I gave warning. And then I'm closing it and I'm saying it is kitchen. Okay, so then close this anchor tag and then close one more div tag. Okay, so I just have one item and we'll see how it will look like. Okay, so this is how the item looks like, and then this is your hyperlink. So add the action also to this. So let me actually add the action one. So list a hyphen group hyphen so item hyphen action, right? So I'm adding this. So as I already told you what will happen. So when I bring my mouse on top of it, like you're getting a different color. Okay, so you're getting a different color over here. So that is what will happen with the class list hyphen group hyphen action. Okay. Okay, friends, I'll show you now how to create the pills. Okay, so to create the pills, I'm taking the UL tag Inside the unordered list tag, I'm taking all the basic classes that I require. That is the list group, and then I need the li tag. Inside the li tag, I'm saying class is equal to, so then do all that. So list hyphen group hyphen item. Okay. So, and then I'm just closing with this, and then I'll say what I want. I want some count of the books, and to give the pill, I need to use the span tag. So span is equal to, so inside this, I'm saying it's a badge, and I'm giving some color to it, which is BG primary. And then I want the pill to be rounded pill. So I'm using another class which is called as rounded pill. Okay. So close this, close the span scope, and then close the li tag. Okay. So I just have said I have a list which is books, and I'm saying the count of the books. How many books are there? So I just need to give the count in between this span open and span close tag. So say I'm having 78 books, so I'm giving 78 in between the span open and the close tag. So as I refresh this, you can see that I got the book and I got the pill over here. Okay, so I have created this by using the class which is called as badge, and I gave color to it, which is BG primary. If I'm not giving any color to it, so say for example, I have taken off this BG primary, so then what will happen is I'll not be able to see it because it will be of a white color. So you just need to give some color to it. So which is BG hyphen, say for example, I'm giving danger. So I'll be getting a pill with the red color. Okay, so you can give BG danger, BG success, any kind of thing you can give. This is all about the list groups, my friends. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.